Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost everybody I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no.
Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Shakita D, formerly known as the artist known as Uniquely Lavish. If you're new here, hey boo, hey, get a feel for the content. If you like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm sure that you will, so just hit it now, friend. So I saw this video on TikTok and it was like giving, girl, you need to go and get what she got. So y'all, I ran on over to Sephora, hey, and I got me the Danessa Myricks. Yes, I'm talking about that blurring balm powder, okay, for your face and your eyes. Now, friend, I know I'm probably late to the game, late to the party. It's okay. You know, some of us just need to show up fashionably late. That's okay. That's okay. But I saw what it was doing for the people, and I got the YouTube, you know, YouTube searching it, TikTok searching it, and the girls confirmed. The girls confirmed that this is it. Now, I wanted to make sure that when I spent my coin, my hard-earned cash on my new foundation, that it was going to be something. Now, you guys, I did not try this color on. This is the fun part, okay? I did not try this color on. I just went to the store and I got it. Well, I didn't just go to the store. I online ordered it and picked it up in the store because they said that it's been sold out for a while. So I'm happy that I got my hands on it. You know what I'm saying, friend? Now, if I could just get her open. Is you gonna open Miss Myricks? Y'all, this thing hard. Okay. So this is how she comes. How cute is this packaging, you guys? Like, seriously. It has a little spatula on the front. Now they say that you're supposed to scoop it out, and you can use your fingers to put it on. What else you say, friend? Yeah, a texture reducing coverage, boosting blurring balm to powder that balances oils throughout the day while maintaining hydration. Powered by cutting edge blurring Swedish technology. Woo woo. I ain't never put no technology on my face. Upslay visually creates a soft focus effect on pores and fine lines. Now I got some pores and I got some fine lines. Tap on with fingers. We're going to use a brush, friend. We're going to use a brush, okay? And focus. Okay, and blur the texture areas. So with that being said, y'all, we're going to jump into this. Okay, friend, let's open her up. Look how smooth she looks. Now, I don't know, you guys, I'm getting a little nervous. She's giving, she might work. I feel like I probably should have went to a 10. I don't know, maybe it's the ring light. But nevertheless, let's get to it. I just think that the packaging is so, y'all, just the top alone. Come on, Brandon, Danessa, okay? Come on, friend. So we're going to scoop some out. And we're just going to, oh, it might be a perfect match, y'all. We're just going to apply what we would normally apply. I be wanting a smooth scrape, like I don't be wanting my stuff to look all dug in. That's the only thing that's throwing me on. Yeah, I don't be wanting my stuff to look all dug in, like, But okay, girl. But wait, friend. Let's check it out. Oh, she's actually almost. It's like it warms up and melts into the skin, if I'm not mistaken. Let me stop putting too much on to get to it. So you guys, I'm gonna go in with the brush, wrong brush, going with our Real Techniques foundation brush. And let's see how she, oh. So I've only done my forehead, you guys, and I can tell that it is just blurring and melting into my skin. Like, it's covering up my dark spots a bit. I still can see them. However, it's a blurring powder. It's not a foundation, so I'm not mad at that. A little bit more on this mustache. Okay. Oh, and don't forget your neck, friend. Don't forget your neck. You got to drag that thing down, honey. Running around town, windows half down. No pound town. That's not how we get down. And you guys, number 9 actually works perfectly for me. I'm here for it, okay? So thoughts, you guys. I love the way it just melts into my skin. I love that it doesn't give a skin tint, but it also doesn't give foundation. It's not too heavy, it's just right. And that's what I was looking for. So I'm completely happy with this purchase. But I'm gonna finish the face and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys the final thoughts, okay? Let's see how she lays with everything else. You know, the concealer, the blush, things of that nature. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished face, and Sister girl meshes well with everything, you guys. I think I'm in love. I ain't been in love in a long time with a product. And sis has sold me Miss Danessa Myricks. The only downfall, you guys, is keeping this spatula clean. Keep you a handy dandy makeup wipe on you to keep your stuff clean, because once you dip in and you move your, you put your hands on it and stuff like that. You see I got a scratch on there already. We're gonna have to clean her up because the packaging is just too stinking cute to be all ugly and fugly and dirty. Like, no. But I am so excited, you guys. This will be a part of my new makeup routine 2024. Shout out to Danessa Myricks, you guys. Make sure you go and check her out on TikTok, Instagram, her website. Everything will be linked down below. It's not sponsored, y'all, okay? But it was well worth it. I think this ran me about $36 prior to taxes. And yeah, I'm here for it. Get you some, friend. If you enjoyed this content as much as I did creating it for you, then hit the subscribe button, okay? And like it and share it. Until next time, you guys, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching.